Alright, gatekeeper here. This right here is a 3 transistor amplifier built by my mentor. And this was the last amplifier he owned that he got rid of to me. And he's like, this is my special 3-pill we kept around the shop because it was one of the most highest output 3-pills that he had done. And he kind of kept it around the shop to use as drivers for, 8 pills, 12, 16s. This box will drive a 16-pill to its max. And it's got two different lot 2879s in it. I remember asking him about that, and he's like, what he did was he pretty much picked the most highest gain Toshibas that he found. He had a lot of Toshibas flowing through him at that point in time, so he kind of would try to keep the highest gain. Okay, he would try to keep a little pile of the highest gain transistors that kind of flowed through the shop at that point. And he said that these were two of the very high gain transistors of his little pile. So, and you'll see that, man, because this bad boy's doing about 800 watts on this PEP meter right here. And she's already doing close to 300 bird just with my bench radio, and that's not even hooking up a hot radio on it. I absolutely hate to get rid of this thing, I really do, but I got some personal stuff going on, so I need some extra cash, and that just is what it is. Might not look like much, but it's a very neat performing little amp. And it's equipped with a 250 ohm variable, so you can pretty much turn that variable where you want. Get your dead key just right. Alright, we're on the medium tap. I'm going to key it on the medium tap of this 100 amp transformer at first. Just kind of show you, you don't run this box with this variable turned all the way up. It's just that simple. And I'll show you why. There's the variable turned all the way up. Dead keying close to 400 watts. I'll turn that down now. Turn it down to about 100 watts. Oh, yeah. That's already keying 230 plus bird. Oh, yeah. On 13.9 volts. I mean, God, man, I just absolutely hate to get rid of this damn thing, man. Turn that dead key down a little lower and watch that thing swing. 50 watts, dead key. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Turn on peak. Oh, yeah. It's about 700 watts. I'm going to flip over here and turn it on the high tap, which is going to be on 100 amps and a little bit higher voltage. We'll put it back on RMS. 50 watt dead key. Oh, yeah. About 280 RMS. Turn that dead key to about 100 watts. Oh, yeah. 300 watts RMS with 4 watts of drive. 4 watts RMS. Now, you've watched some of my other videos. Usually what I have to do to get that much power out of a 3-transistor amplifier is I have to key up my hot radio, which is over here. This is putting about 8 watts RMS. Right there at 8 watts RMS to get that much power out. Now, if I keyed that... I'm not even going to hook the hot radio up because I'll probably get more comments saying they don't believe how much it's doing, but have any of y'all ever heard of people tell those stories about 3 pills that can do 1,000 watts and this and that? Well, let's just put it this way. I've seen it twice, and I own 2 boxes myself that will do it, and that's one of them right there. One of these days, I'm not going to do a video of it, and you can kind of guess where the other one is. All right, PEP. Oh, yeah. 800 watts. Voltage it's dropping to, 16 volts. Which I do not recommend running to that high, of course. That's just me showing you. I really hate to get rid of this one. I would prefer somebody locally, one of my buddies, getting this amp for me, so maybe I can get it back from him one day. I personally have never ran it, and I don't even know if I'm even gonna let this get on eBay. I might go see if I can figure out something else. Anyway, y'all have a good one. I'm gone.